Hello students, welcome to AriserTalent. Now we are going to discuss important questions of NTSE Stage 2 of chapter Tissue. So here we go. Which among the following is the correct sequence regarding the flow of impulse in a neuron? We all know this is the structure of neuron. Okay, so this is a rough diagram of neuron. Now, what is asked here, it is asking which among the following is the correct sequence regarding the flow of impulse in a neuron. This is the structure of a neuron. This is cell body, axon and nerve terminal. Okay, so now we are asked what is the correct sequence of current flow, or we can say flow of impulse. Dendrite, these are dendrites. Axon, from dendrites to axon, no. Then to cell body, no. These are dendrites. Okay, so impulse will not flow from dendrite to axon then to cell body. So this is the wrong option. Axon to cell body to dendrite. No, again it is the wrong option. Axon, here these are axons. These are axon. Okay. So axon to dendrite and these dendrite to these cell body. Again it is the wrong option. Now cell body to axon, axon to nerve terminal. This is the correct flow of impulse in a neuron. Clear? Flow of impulse will be from cell body to, it will go into the axon, and from axon it will go to the nerve terminal. Clear? So this is the correct flow of impulse. Next is, which of the following are characteristics feature of a cells of meristematic tissues? Meristematic tissues are generally responsible for the growth. Why? Because they divide continuously. Actively dividing cells, okay, with dense cytoplasm, okay, thick cell wall and prominent nuclei, no. Actively dividing cells, okay, dense cytoplasm, yes, they have dense cytoplasm, they have thin cell wall, yes, and they do not have any vacuole. Why? Because function of vacuole is to store food. They do not need vacuoles because they are dividing continuously. So this is the reason they do not have any vacuole in them. Clear? So option 2 is the correct answer for the given statement. Means the function or the characteristics feature of the cell of meristematic tissues are that these cells divide continuously, they have dense cytoplasm, they have thin cell wall and they do not have any vacuole. Clear? And I cleared you why they do not have any vacuole, because the function of vacuole is to store food, and they do not, these cells of meristematic tissues do not store food because they divide continuously, so they do not need to store food. Okay. Next is the girth of stem. This is the girth. So girth of stem is increased due to the activity of what? As we have studied the different types of tissues in the stem, or we can say that at the top apical meristem is found. Apical meristem is found because it is responsible for the length, growth in length, and in the sides lateral meristem is found. Lateral meristem is found, which increases the width, or we can say which increases the girth of the stem. So here the correct answer is lateral meristem. Clear? Thus we can say lateral meristem is present in the sides and it is responsible to increase the girth or increase the width of the stem. Next is, given below are figures of three kinds of muscles fiber A, B, C. Now we have to identify them. We can see these are cylindrical and have one nucleus. So what kind of cells they are? They are involuntary. Involuntary or smooth muscles. Okay. Structure B, we can see one nucleus, multinucleus are there, and these are skeletal muscles or voluntary muscles. These are branched and uninucleated, and these are cardiac muscles. Okay, so we have identified the types of muscles here. Next, which one would you find in the grasshopper's leg? So we will go in the options, we will go in the diagram again. We cannot find these muscles in the leg because they are involuntary muscles, they are smooth muscles, they cannot be found in the leg because leg will move according to the wish. So generally in the leg skeletal muscles will be found because they are voluntary muscles, they are under the control, and one more feature is that they are attached to the bones and they help the bones to move. So thus we can say that skeletal muscles are found in the leg of grasshopper, option 2, because it helps to bones to move. Skeletal muscles are attached to the bones of leg of the grasshopper and then it helps it to move. Clear? So these are the important questions of NTSE stage 2 related to chapter tissue. Thank you.